Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the IFVG indicator by LuxAlgo. And if you want to use this indicator, we go right here to LuxAlgo.com, click on library and go to search indicators where we fill in right here IFVG. Then click right here on enter and then he is searching right here for the correct indicator. And then if you go right here, you see right here the inversion fair value gaps, and that's exactly what it means. So we click right now here on see details, and then you have a massive explanation right here with what this indicator does. So you can read that if you want to do that. And then here on the right, you see right here the free access on the following platforms. So you can select right here if you want to use it on TradingView, NinjaTrader, MetaTrader 4 or 5, or Thinkorswim. But if you can see right here, the Thinkorswim button is gray and it's saying coming soon. So now the only options are MetaTrader 4 and 5, NinjaTrader and TradingView. So I pick TradingView right here. Click on get access. This is a little instruction how you can add the indicator to your TradingView. So now we click here on get access. Then we go right here to use on chart. And then if you can see right here, I need to delete this right here. And now we are having here the inversion fair value gaps. So this is now the indicator that is working on the chart, and this is how you can add it. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.